Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing wonderful. We are going to start another Valentine DIY for your home today. And I'm using a Dollar Tree plaque. And I'm going to alter this a little bit and add my own kind of touch to it to go with how I'm decorating for my Valentine decor. So what you're going to need is a plaque from the Dollar Tree or a plaque that you can get from the 99-cent store, Dollar General, Hobby Lobby, whatever. I mean, it can be a different plaque. It doesn't have to be this one. But for you that like the Dollar Tree, you can either get the truck or the bike, but this is what I'm using. You're also going to need some of the table scatter, and they come in the pink and the red, okay? And something to curl wire on because you're going to be using wire. This is a 20 gauge wire. So it's easy to manipulate and kind of stay where you put it. Scissors, wire cutter, whatever you need. These are just kind of all use, all purpose, if you will, scissors, so I don't mind cutting my wire. Obviously, I wouldn't be cutting with my sewing scissors. You're also going to need, if you want, now that's if you want to change this ribbon. I don't care for it, so I'm going to change it into what I am kind of decorating with again, and I am kind of going with the Mackenzie Child feeling with some of my decor for Valentine's. And so I'm going to decide which ribbon I want to use, but I want to have it ready so I don't have to be looking for it when I get to that step. So I will meet you back here in just a minute, and I will probably just put this to music as I am doing it. Okay guys, I wanted to tell you one more thing before I got started. I was kind of experimenting with the wire, and the 20 gauge is a little bit stiffer. Now it works perfectly, as you can see what I'm doing, but I also tried the 24 gauge, and it's a little bit easier to work with. It's just a lighter wire, so that's totally up to you what you want to do. Also, I'm using these Stampin' Up!, and it doesn't have to be Stampin' Up!, it can be anything, but the dimensional adhesive foam to pop a few of the little hearts that I'm going to put here up to dimensionalize them. So I wanted to let you know that too. Okay, so now I really am going to get started. Okay guys, I'm done, and I'm just going to show you a little bit more close. Now with the wire, you can move these any way you want, these hearts. You can make them taller, shorter, bend them down a little bit, whatever. But I am very happy with the way these turned out. It did not take a lot of supplies. It was very easy to put together, very fast. And if you were giving it for a gift, or even if you wanted to do it yourself, you can take a piece of cardboard and cover the back. I did not do that because I probably will be taking these hearts off so I can store it easier. But you definitely, and if I was making this for a gift, I most definitely would have covered the back. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. Also, share this with anyone that you think might enjoy this kind of a DIY. And hit that notification bell, because I am doing a lot more DIYs for the different holidays. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye.